In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use n8n with Model Context Protocol or MCP. This video will walk you through the steps needed to integrate these powerful tools so you can create custom AI-powered workflows with ease. First, let's dive into what n8n and MCP actually are, as well as what benefits they bring to your automation processes. n8n is a versatile automation tool that lets you create custom workflows to automate a variety of tasks. It uses an intuitive visual interface with pre-configured nodes, allowing for seamless integration of external tools with minimal coding. Picture it as a bridge connecting different applications, from Google Sheets for data processing to various AI tools for content generation. On the other hand, MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is a standardized communication method for AI agents to interact with external tools. It enables seamless integration with large language models, or LLMs, and facilitates interactions without the need to rewrite functions manually. MCP's architecture comprises hosts, clients, and servers as its core components, helping to streamline data processing and tool integration within your workflows. By combining n8n with MCP, you can expose workflows to AI agents for context-based data processing, surpassing the limitations of standard API capabilities. This integration could help you create workflows that connect to AI tools, or manage tasks like automating email processing, or managing to-dos with platforms like Zapier. Before getting started with n8n and MCP, you'll need to set up n8n. While you can opt for the official hosting plan, we recommend self-hosting it on a virtual private server. This approach is more cost-effective in the long term, and self-hosting with a system that has at least 4 GB of SSD storage and 2 GB of RAM should work fine. Make sure your hosting provider offers scalability. As your workflows grow, your resource needs will increase. Now let's explore how to expose an n8n workflow as an MCP server. Your first step is to create a new workflow in n8n where you will insert the MCP server trigger node. This node exposes tools, services, or applications as MCP endpoints. Locate the production URL on the node setup page and keep it handy for later use. Next, on the n8n canvas, add a tool to your MCP server trigger node to serve as the data source or processing unit for your workflow. Now we'll discuss using n8n as an MCP client. Start by adding the n8n MCP client node to your workflow. Then configure the SSE endpoint and authentication settings specific to your requirements. Finally, test the client workflow in n8n to ensure everything works smoothly. With n8n and MCP, you can create complex, automated workflows that streamline tasks across different applications and tools. Whatever your needs, integrating MCP into your n8n setup opens up a world of possibilities for automation, from data management to AI-powered content generation. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.